And here we are in Valencia at the circuit actually. So this Sunday all these grandstands are gonna be packed full because it's the championship decider between Pecco and Fabio, and also in Moto2 still need to be decided. So yeah, it's gonna be yeah, some exciting racing going on this weekend. And yeah, now it's completely empty still. So yeah, really a special place here. It's like a stadium, and really cool to go to visit one time. And well, the truck is already parked and clean. I did this morning to the truck wash, and yeah, now I'm ready to go to the hotel. I just do a quick lap on the scooter and yeah, then it's off to the hotel, take a shower, and then relax for the evening. And then tomorrow the team arrives obviously again, and then we set up our pit box. Good job, buddy. Good morning, everybody. So that's our season done. Another one in the books. It's actually my 11th season in motorsports. So yeah, that's it. Also did a test. Not really yeah, that great, because yeah, Honda still need to find some speed. So yeah, let's hope they find some speed this winter, and yeah, we will be super fast again in Malaysia test next year. But yeah, for now I'm gonna drive with my colleague Fredja and to the workshop in San Marino. So this is a 1600 kilometer drive, and it's 5 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, it's time to crack on, and yeah, let's go there. See you guys.
3 days later.
Okay, so that's it. The test done, the workshop week is done. So yeah, it's holiday time for me actually. Everything is packed and yeah, ready to go to first Malaysia, and some things are already going to even the USA. So yeah, all done. And yeah, now it's 2.5 months off for me. I think I fly the 5th of February. So yeah. A little bit of downtime. I can spend some time obviously with my family, and yeah, of course also Christmas and New Year's. And yeah, for now I hope you guys have a great holiday season as well, great Christmas, and I want to thank everybody who watched my videos, and yeah, just give a comment. I try to reply always, and yeah, if you have some good suggestions for next year, I'm happy to listen to them and maybe put them in my videos for next year. So but for now, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos, and I'm on my way home, and I see you guys next year. Ciao ciao, thank you very much, bye bye.